Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is we are going to discuss about the basic command which is using in my iPhone version. Yeah, as you can see, we have my SQL version which is 8.0.34. This is the SQL version. So for the next step, so I just want to enter my system. I need to type MySQL -u root -p. Just enter it. So it need to enter your password, the password which you give in the MySQL in the first time. So I'm just going to give my password. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm now inside of MySQL. So it is showing welcome to the MySQL monitor command and with org. So server version 8.0.34 MySQL community server GPL. So this was the entering MySQL. For the next step, so I just want to see how many database I have in my table. So you need to type show databases and just give a semicolon and enter. So the database which I have it here, it's all including the four. The first one is information scheme, MySQL, performance scheme, and SAS. So these are the database which is available in my table. So I just want to go use for example MySQL. You just need to type use MySQL. When you type use MySQL, give a semicolon and enter. As you can see, the database get changed. It means you're inside of the MySQL, which is here in your table. So after that, so this was for the basic of the MySQL. For the second one, like for example, we want to go and create the student database table. So we just basically going to say create table student and give a semicolon and enter, column and enter. So I just want to have in my table id int primary key auto increment. This auto increment, it means like when I'm going to create the table, so in the table we will be having 1 2 3 4 5. So when I'm using the auto increments, this auto increment will give me the giving me like it will be generating a number directly without giving the 1 2 3 something like that. So then after that, just click enter. So now I want to have a name. So just type in name. The data type of name is worker, and I just want to give the value for me, just having a comma, and then I just want to also have a last name. Data type of this one is also worker, and also give the value. Whatever you can give the value, it belongs to you. It's optional. And also, so it's an ID, name, last name. So I just want to have an age also. And the age data type is int, integer, and also I want to have a phone number. So maybe we'll be having a contact with them, with the family of a student. So for the phone also we can use a worker. Then give the value. So based on the phone number is a 10-digit number, so I just want to give 13 because we will be having the country code based on that. So just enter and give this comma also and enter. So basically you can see the query is okay, 0 row is affected, 0.05 second. So when you got this command, it means your describe is to date. That's it, and enter. As you can see, the first time I just got the missing spelling. So second time you can see describe student table. The student, it was my table name. and now you can see field, tab, null, key, default, etc. So what do you mean by here we have a default? Default, it means I have not inserted anything in the place of name, last name, age, phone. So, and also no, it means null. No, it means null also, it means 0 also. For inserting in my table, you need to type insert into what was the our table. It was a student name, so student. Student. So I have here name. Here we have a name. You just need to type name, and then the other one last name. Just need to type last name. Then we have a age, and we have a phone. Yes. So this one is done. Now I'm going to give values for the name. So we will give Ahmad. Last name I will give Ahmadi. And the age we will give 20. The age should be without string, without semicolon. So the phone number also it should be same, 9847691 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. So this is the phone number, and then you need to close this. Yes, you just need to close it and give this. As you can see, here we go. We have the query insertion. So insert into student name, last name, age, phone, value is Ahmad, Ahmadi 20, phone number. So as you can see, query is okay, one row is affected. So I just want to see, is it affected, is it in my table or not. You just need to type select start from the name of table was student. Just give this simple and now you can see, now I have my table which I created.